Hi everyone, my name is Doctasaurus. I can tell us all about why we need to scream and shout about the planet, the oceans, the forests and the land, and all the wild animals we need to understand. I sing many songs about animals, about Earth, about the planet, about forests, about the oceans, about the land, and what we are doing wrong and what we can do about it. One of my songs is called Lizards and Birds. I want to talk about ecosystems today. Ecosystem. An ecosystem is a system that involves many elements of the natural world. How they tie together, how they are related, and how they rely on each other. Animals, plants, rain, sun, wind, soil, animals, plants, rain, sun, wind, soil, water. How it relies on each other. That's an ecosystem. Everything working together, not against each other. I sing a song called Lizards and Birds. It really is about the ecosystem anywhere, in that plants and trees need animals and animals need plants and trees. This is true. The song starts out talking about the fact that we need trees. We need trees to give us air. Sure, we do. But a tree will fall. A tree will fall naturally in its own time when it gets old. And when it does, it won't stay there. Things will remove it naturally. One of the main things that removes trees when they've fallen are grubs. Grubs. So we need grubs. We need grubs to eat the trees, and they do. But when a tree falls and grubs come along, grubs come from all over. And there becomes too many grubs eating the tree. So we need something to eat the grubs. Lizards and birds eat grubs. Lizards and birds eat grubs. Lots of lizards and lots of birds eat grubs. So that completes that cycle. The tree gives us air, the tree falls down naturally. The grubs eat the tree, lizards and birds eat the grubs. Everyone's happy. That's how it should be. And that's how it is. Naturally. In the natural world. I sing another song called Dirty Ponds. This song also reflects ecosystems. Ecosystems being everything needs everything else in the natural world. Animals need water, and the water needs the animals. The plants need animals. The water needs plants, plants need the water. You name it, it all needs it. We all need each other. I sing about 4 animals around a pond in the song Dirty Ponds. And I'm talking about the fact that whenever we throw junk away, it ends up dirtying the ponds. It dirties lakes, it dirties rivers, brooks, creeks, streams, and ponds, and the ocean. Nothing can survive in dirty water. When we throw stuff anywhere without any thought, we dirty water. We dirty water a long way away that we can't even see. We dirty ponds. These particular 4 animals that I sing about in Dirty Ponds, they have sensitive areas, as does every animal. Every animal has sensitive areas on its body. I sing about a frog that has sensitive skin. Did you know a frog breathes through its skin? Yeah, it breathes air through its skin. It can, and it does. It also breathes air through its mouth, which is why when you see a frog's throat going like this, not when it gets bigger and swells out, that's only a male, that's a boy frog. But all frogs will have their throat going like this on a regular basis. What they're doing is pushing air in and allowing air out, pushing air in and allowing air out. Because they don't have what's called a diaphragm, like for example we do. We have a diaphragm inside our body that sucks air in and pushes it out. Well, frogs have to do that with the bottom of their jaw. They also breathe air through their skin, so it is very sensitive. If we dirty water, if we dirty the ponds, they have difficulty breathing and they get sick. There's other 3 more animals that I sing about around a pond. Lizard. Lizard has sensitive areas. Did you know that a lizard's sensitive area is its tail? Why is a tail sensitive for a lizard? 2 reasons. Some lizards, when they get attacked by a predator or something that wants to eat the lizard, they can drop their tail. They drop their tail, that predator eats the tail and gives the lizard a chance to run away without a tail, but that tail grows back. That's a sensitive tail. Other lizards have a sensitive tail for another reason. During times when there's little food, such as winter, many lizards can't find food to eat, so they have to rely on fat that they've stored in their tail, like a kitchen cupboard. They take the fat and use it as food to keep them alive in times that they can't find food. That's a sensitive tail. Snakes. Snakes have a sensitive tongue. You must have all seen a tongue poking out of a snake. A snake's tongue is its eyes and its nose. It picks up chemicals in the air and brings them back into their mouth so they can figure out where they're going and what's in front of them and where they have to go to catch food and find shelter and look out for danger. Tongue is very sensitive for a snake. I sing about turtles in dirty ponds. Turtles also have a sensitive area. Their shell. Can you believe that? A turtle shell is very sensitive to a turtle. Why? Because it's made of bone. It is in fact the ribs of the turtle. We have ribs. We have ribs up and down our belly, in front of our belly, and up and out around our chest, that's covered in skin, that's covered in flesh and skin. Turtles' ribs aren't covered in flesh and skin. They're covered in nail. Yeah, just like our nail. The ends of our fingers here, it's made of something called keratin. And the turtle's ribs are covered in keratin. They're covered in nail. So it's very sensitive. Our bones and our ribs are sensitive. If we crack our ribs, or crack our bones, break our bones, chip our bones, or injure our bones in any way, it hurts. It's painful, very sensitive. As is a turtle's ribs. Turtle shell is made of bone and it hurts when it gets cracked, chipped, broken, squashed. So please don't run over a turtle with your car, with your parents' car. And please don't allow anyone to drill holes in turtle shells because it hurts. It hurts the turtle. It's a sensitive area, turtle shell. Check out Dirty Ponds. It'll tell you everything that's sensitive about those 4 animals. See you next time. This is Doctasaurus. Bye.